Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another university scholarship, Central South University Scholarship, CSU University Scholarship. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, you can see here is the detail about all universities whose CSC scholarship admission has been started. So click on this link. Click on this category, CSC scholarship admissions, and here is the detail of all universities whose admissions, CSC scholarship admissions and university scholarship and provisional scholarship admission started. So and these are the other pages, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7 and carry on. Okay, and now today we discuss Central South University scholarship. So note, keep in mind, Central South University CSU CSC scholarship still not started. CSC scholarship admission not started in Central South University yet. So in beginning of March or in next month it will be announced, so don't worry about this. So today we discuss Central South University scholarship. So let's start. So here is the detail. Authority Central South University scholarship, and this is for master, bachelor and PhD students, and 2000 RMB for master, RMB for bachelor, 2500 RMB for master and 3000 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, and 30th of May 2021 is the last date, so don't worry about this. Deadline is too much far away from now. So eligibility criteria, all international students can apply, and limit for bachelor 18th to 30th, and for master 25, and for PhD 40 years. Okay, now English proficiency certificate is enough. So how to apply for this scholarship? First, you fill. I'll also tell you how you fill the University CSU online application form in this video. So student says that some students confused about online application form. So don't worry about this. So upload all required documents on CSU online application system, and result will be announced at the end of July. You need to pay 500 RMB application fee at that time when your initial review has been passed. So don't pay the application fee before, and when your initial review will be passed, then and your status change to application fee to be paid, and you pay the application fee online. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, now click here to apply on university portal. So these are the documents which is required for Central South University scholarship. First, you fill CSC online application form, the same link here. Okay, and this is the link. Highest degree, notarized copy, transcript of highest education, study plan no less than 800 words. Okay, and in your study plan you must have to prepare research, means you clarify your research background and method, content and significance of your research plan. Okay, this is for undergraduate. And keep in mind, for bachelor's students, you all of majors which they offer in Chinese, not in English. Okay, but for master and PhD it will be in English and in Chinese as well. So recommendation letter from professor and associate professors, and keep in mind, your recommendation letter must be issued after this date, December 1, 2020, means date of issue of recommendation letter must be after December 1, 2020. December 1, 2020. Okay, means the previous year December. Okay, only for graduates. The copy of passport must be valid for 1 year, and physical examination form, photocopy, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Okay, keep in mind. And the statement did not get any form of it, means some students confused about that. What is this? So click here to download the sample. This is the sample. This is the sample which you use for click here for statement of not aid for any scholarship. So don't worry about this. You can use the same form as it is. You can use this form. So your name, father name, passport name, and confirms that currently I do not receive any sort of aid or scholarship from any government or non-government organization, both nationally and internationally. So you type this and type your name and your sign. Okay, so this is the form. You can make this form by self and sign this form and upload it on university portal. Okay, I will tell you in this video how you upload this form, where you upload this form. For medical measures, you need to provide HSK 4. Okay, non-criminal record, police clearance certificate record, issue date, and the police clearance certificate must be issued after December 1, 2020. Okay, if you make your police clearance certificate record mean no criminal certificate record before December 1, 2020, then it's invalid for Central South University scholarship. Okay, maybe it's valid for other universities like in CSC and these kind of, so you can use, but use this, but for CSU you can't use this acceptance letter. Click here to download the acceptance letter format, but this is not must for university scholarship, so this is automatically typed, so I will change it. So acceptance letter, it's optional, and the supporting documents like physical examination form, example, published paper award, and these kind of things you must have. If you have, then upload, otherwise leave it. Acceptance letter not mandatory. Okay, and these are the majors, all majors for bachelors and for master and for PhD. So some of the majors in Chinese for master, and most of them in English and Chinese both, and for PhD same like that, but for bachelors all the majors in English. So click here to download this form. So after clicking on that, put the captcha 9549 and click on determine. Okay, after that a file will be downloaded. After downloading this form, you have to open this form and check. You can check all these majors for this is for bachelors. Okay, CSU bachelor program, this is all in Chinese, no one in English, so it means for bachelor you must have HSK. Okay, now so for master you can see same like this, and these are the list. You can here get your faculty link, and this is for Central South University. If you want to get acceptance letter, click on this link and get the faculty professor's emails of different departments. So click on these are the scholarship list, first list, second list, and third list. You can open this form and you can check this how many students select they for university scholarship, and this is CSC scholarship. Okay, the first list, and in this list you can check. Here is the detail, and they select 10 110 110 110. So 110 in first list 110 students in first list, and 45 students in second list, and in third list you can see here is they select in this list 103. Okay, and Central South University CSC scholarship nomination list also published. They select for CSC scholarship 72 students. This is the first list, and the waiting list is another. They not public the waiting list because they send individual mail to the students, so that's why they don't public the list of those students. So this in second list you can see a little bit my name, so you can see here's Muhammad Irfan. So if you think that I that's the detail of Central South University which I told you, it means correct, and the form which I filled will be corrected, was corrected and will be corrected, which I tell you in this video. So that's why I'll show you the name, because if you think in mind either they tells us either his own form is right or wrong, so that's why I'll show you the name. Okay, but this general thing, not high thing. So that's the thing, and you can get the here is the official advertisement, you can see. Okay, now we come to the form, Central South University online application form. Click on this link, click here to apply online. But now I am not in this university, in Central South University I am not, because I say sorry to this university. I already selected in CSC, got CSC scholarship in other university, so that's why I say sorry to this university. They say, oh, it's okay. Before when they nominate me, I already selected in other university, so that's why I sorry to Central South University that I can't. They ask me finally, you want to come here or not? So I say sorry, I can't here. So they say it's okay. So welcome if you want to apply next year, or if you want to apply for master degree, for PhD degree in Central South University, then we welcome you. So I say that's great. So that's why if you find me in Central South groups, so that's why I can't be there. I'll not be there. So I can't afford that. So that's why I am not in this. So good luck. So not carry to the Central South University online application form, and click on this link. I say that my English is not good, but I just make this video for those students who says please make videos in English. So that's why I just care of those students who request me that must make videos in English for English users. So that's why I'll make. So now click here on university portal, and after signing up and make an account, click on online application form, and after clicking on online application form, click on applications, and I have read and agree to the regulations of Chinese government, and click on that and select Central South University. CSC, Chinese government scholarships admission not started, Central South University, and click on next one. And if you select your master and degree as you can, so master degree, and click on the apply. Okay, so I already apply, I already select the major, so that's why I already filled the form for time conservation, so that's why I'll edit my form. Okay, the previous form, here is the form, so I'll go to the basic information. So upload your photo and your surname, family name, and your given name, and date of birth, and this kind of thing. Your native language Urdu. So our native language is Urdu. From if you are Bangladesh, then you are on, and you are if you are from India, then your native language is Hindi. So, and this kind of it's up to you. Okay, your province, and your place of birth, and highest level. If you are applying for master degree, then your highest level bachelor, and if you are applying for doctoral degree, then your highest level is bachelor. Okay, and the other one, employer affiliation with institution affiliated with the. If you don't have any, then put the name of your previous institute. Okay, occupation, you are if you are veterinary and you are engineer, you are select according to your situation. Health status, physically fit, and your hobby cricket and this kind of thing. If you are in China, then click on no. Yes, if you are in click on yes, and put the organization or school in which you are currently studying, and visa type X1 X2 and this kind of thing. And so no, I am not still I'm not in China, so that's why. So click on no if you are not migrant from China, and your passport expiry date, and your passport name number. So select your country. Okay, I am from Pakistan, so already selected. So in Pakistan, these are the consulate and the embassy. So I select People's Republic of China in Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and these are the English proficiency details. Click on excellent, and English proficiency certificate. If you type in other language, if you type nothing, then you can. So select your supervisor if you have, otherwise leave it blank. Okay, so put your detail here and upload all required documents, like your passport photocopy, and your I'll just upload this for demo. Okay, passport photo homepage, and English proficiency certificate, previous stage graduation certificate, previous stage transcript, and research proposal no less than 800 words, and certificate of non-criminal record. If these are all the same documents which I already mentioned here. Okay, so that's why. Okay, and physical examination form, 2 recommendation letters, recommendation letter from professor and associate professor. Statement did not get any aid from any other form of aid. So this is the same document which I show you in this video in the beginning. So upload form here. If you have a thesis and abstract, upload in PDF form, JPG form, and JPEG form. Acceptance letter, it's not mandatory, it's optional. If you have, then upload this, otherwise leave it. Supporting documents like your achievement record and these kind of things, so upload here. So click save and next. After clicking on that, put the detail of your family member, 1 or 2 of your family member, and these things. And have you had criminal record? No. And put financial supporter, you put your name of your father. So don't worry if you think that you must need to put the detail of that university, that desired university in which you applied. Means some student says you must put financial supporter detail in the desired university in which you want to apply. Means if you are applying in Central South University, then give the detail of the Central South University here. So don't worry, you can put the detail of your father here. So granted in China, so you can put the detail of your father same as it is as you put here. So you can use this. So it's formality, but it's mandatory to fill the form. Okay, so save and next. After that, contact information, your home country address, and country address. Put all the detail of your home country address as it is. So it's mandatory. So current postal address, if your current postal address is same, then same. Other, if you have other postal address, then click here, and I have same. So this is the important portion. So if you are collected documents in your application and in your home address or your country address, and then put your detail of your country address here. But if you think that your home country address is if you are in a village and you think that the documents not reach on time, so you want to put the detail of your friend address who's in city, and they collect your documents in in their home address. So that in your friend home address, then you can use the address of your friend here. So don't worry about this, but it's exact, and your postal code is must be correct, and your address and your city and province and your country. So that's it, and your name and phone number as well. After putting this, you can click on next, and you can see here is the submit option. So filled in, it means your form is not submitted. After clicking on submit and clicking OK, when you click on OK, then it's changed into in progress. When it's in progress means in process, it means your application is submitted, and now wait for the further evaluation. First they pass, when the initial review will be passed, then your status change into application fee to be paid. Okay, then you need to pay the application fee online. Okay, no, check your inbox regularly and your email address regularly on which you make your account. Okay, when in the beginning the email which you use for making sign up, for making account or for sign up, then on that email you receive a notification about this. So here is the message from 2019, from means 29 previous and a half year, 1.5 year. Okay, there's in this message it says you need to pay application fee, but I don't have any application fee on that time, and this is my friend, this is my brother account, so he don't interested in that university, and that's why he can't pay the application fee on that time. He didn't pay. So notification of application fee, again this notify him that him that you need to pay application fee. Okay, and no, you can hope so you can get everything which you want here, and other supporting other documents, samples, and these kind of things you can visit our website cscguideofficial.com. We met you in the next video, and when CSC Central South University CSC scholarship will start, then I'll tell you in the next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.